Welcome to this video that talks about restoring the deleted transactions that you might have deleted either by mistake or as a bulk delete in QuickBooks. Sometimes you find that you might have deleted some vital transactions and then you want to regain the same. What is the way out? Well, there are two methods in which you can regain all the information lost.
Hi, I am Juliana. I will walk you through this course. QuickBooks always recommends a daily backup of the files and data to keep track and backup of the necessary data to prevent any data corruption in QuickBooks company files. If you have a corrupted data file, it is always advisable to have a local backup copy restored. You must be a single user and enter your credentials for the restoration of backup files of the QuickBooks company file. Remember that restoration of a backup would overwrite all the details that you might have filed in the company file. At points, you might need to re-enter several data points as well. To start the restoration of the QuickBooks company files, you need to click the File, select Open or Restore Company. Select Restore from the Backup Company radio button and click Next. Select the Local Backup radio button and click Next. The new dialog box shows all the backup files that you have taken. Select the one that you intend to restore. On the next screen, you have to read all the details very carefully to understand where the backup is being restored. An alternative method to restore the QuickBooks is click File, select Backup Company, then select the previous backup copy. Select the location shown.
This is the easiest way to restore transactions. However, it is effective if and only if there were no more transactions. This is a time-taking method, in case if you have deleted many transactions. However, there is no harm to data that you have recently entered. Click on the Reports button on the top menu bar. Scroll down and click the Accountants and Taxes button, then click on the Audit Trail tab. It's the audit trail that captures each transaction that is entered, altered, or deleted. Select the date type and then manually enter the date range. Click on the Refresh button and the audit trail will display all transactions within the date range you specify. Scroll through the list of transactions and double-click the one that was deleted. Make a note of each item in the transaction. In case of a deleted invoice, create a new invoice with the details from the deleted transaction. If it is a bill or a bill payment, create a new bill or bill payment with the deleted details.